In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off GitHub Copilot suggestions in Visual Studio Code. If you find that the Copilot suggestions are more of a distraction than a help, you'll want to know how to disable them easily. Let's get started by opening up Visual Studio Code. The first thing you'll want to do is to locate the GitHub Copilot icon. You can find this either on the top bar or in the status bar, depending on your vscode setup. It's usually a small icon representing Copilot, so keep an eye out for it. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu where you have a couple of options to choose from. You can either choose Disable Completions or Disable Inline Suggestions. By selecting either of these, you can customize your coding environment to better suit your flow and reduce any unwanted suggestions. But what if you want to go further and disable these settings globally through a more traditional pathway? That's where the settings come into play. Let's open the settings within VS Code. You can do this by navigating to File, then selecting Preferences, followed by Settings. This pathway leads you to the Comprehensive Settings panel, which is home to a multitude of configurations available for your customization. Now let's focus specifically on shutting down Copilot's inline suggestions. In the Settings search bar, type in Copilot. To narrow down your options quickly, you'll want to scroll through to find the section titled Extensions. Under Extensions, look for Copilot in particular. This area contains specific configurations and toggles related directly to GitHub Copilot's features and suggestions. Once in the Copilot section, you'll look for an option labeled Inline Suggest Enable. This is the toggle you need to focus on. By turning this off, you're ensuring that inline suggestions, which are automatic suggestions that pop up as you type, are disabled. This step is crucial for those who prefer to keep their coding workspace distraction-free and maintain a more traditional coding experience. By following the above steps, you've now successfully disabled GitHub Copilot suggestions in VS Code. It's a great way to regain control over your coding space and ensure your workflow remains uninterrupted by unsolicited suggestions. This process can always be reversed if you decide later on that you want to re-enable these suggestions. Simply revisit the settings and adjust them back to your preference. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more